Alright guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing this RC airplane. It's a pretty big box here on the bench. I'm going to do a little bit of a different video here. As you can see, I've got this hat on with this little camera adapter, which is actually for the Insta360 GO 2, which is what I'm recording this video on here. So I think that this camera might be a good camera for RC stuff in terms of showing a first-person point of view of when you're flying the airplane and stuff like that. Plus also doing the bench unboxing. So we'll see how it goes. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'll have a full review video on the Insta360 GO 2, of course, flying around on drones, that kind of stuff, in a future video. So if you have any questions about the camera and how I've been using it so far, let me know in the comments below. Alright, let's go ahead and get everything out of the box first. Alright, so here's everything out of the box. Obviously, it requires a little bit of assembly, like most of these RC airplanes. This looks like, obviously this is not scale. These are brushed motors with like these little tiny whip type of propellers. Got 4 of them here. It's actually way off scale. It's really heavy, but I guess it needs this much power to lift the weight and everything. With 4 motors, you get 1S battery and a USB charger for that 1S battery, spare propellers, landing gear, some screws, a screwdriver to probably install that. You get some instructions, and you get a looks like an Xbox style controller. There's no yaw control. You have throttle, you have left and right and up and down on the right stick. And it looks like this uses AAA batteries. But yeah, it looks like it shouldn't be too hard to put together. Yeah, it's got to plug in your, looks like these are the elevator controls here on the back. These wires here. I think this is for light. Yeah, so that plugs into the flight controller board here. Battery goes inside here. You can access it from the bottom. The landing gear goes in here. Obviously, you need some screws to attach the wing to the main fuselage, like so. So, pretty straightforward. There's also included this stand if you want to display this as a model. I think this goes right on the bottom. Yeah, goes on like that. And of course, you'll have to have the body installed, of course, but yeah, that's what it will look like. So we'll go ahead and put it together and we'll take a look at it. Alright, so here it is with the wing on. Actually just required 1 screw. There's a power switch here on the bottom. Turn that on. Turn on the controller. On the ground. Alright, so basically you have elevator control. Let's see here. Alright, so it's throttle. Differential throttle for the yaw. And then you have rates. 2 beeps is high rates. 1 beep, low rates on the elevator, and probably also for the differential throttle. The light control is for this light in the bottom. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see that or not. It doesn't seem to do anything. And then you have your trims here to trim it out. Tried rolling it on the ground. It's because of the front wheel, it kind of turns, so rolling takeoff's not that great. A little bit of wind, not much right now. You can hear the stabilizer doing its thing, so I think the wind's coming from over there. I'll take off to go in that direction. Wow, that's a really smooth takeoff. I thought it would be underpowered, but actually it's not too bad. The stabilizer is working pretty well. Oh yeah, going downwind much faster. And you can see with this this sort of toy controller, it's a little bit jerky. It's not that smooth. And I know some of you are going to ask me, will this work with the multi-protocol radio? I don't know which one this is. I did look it up a little bit. If anyone knows in the comments, let me know, because I can fly with the multi-protocol radio. It'll fly smoother. But the stabilizer is doing a pretty good job. For the weight, it's kind of amazing it's flying. Now, it does have 4 propellers and 4 motors. Not that loud. You can probably hear that actual jet in the background over this one. See the jet right there. All right, let's go the other direction. Now the wind's starting to pick up. See how slow it is going upwind, and it's going to go fast here. Surprisingly stable, actually. Didn't think it would fly nearly as well as this, although you have to get a little power and a little up elevator in the turns. It doesn't seem to lose quite a bit of altitude, especially downwind. That's totally expected. You're gonna have to give it power into the turn, not after you've already turned. Yeah, into the turn. You're going into the wind there, so it's kind of floaty. And then downwind, it's going to be a rocket ship. The wind's coming directly behind me, so I'm going to bring it in here, kind of floating. Check that out. Not much power. You could probably bring it in for a landing like that, into the wind. Downwind, it's a rocket ship. I do like the floatiness though. Let's bring it in for close by. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Wasn't expecting much out of this one. This one looked kind of really funny when I unboxed it and looked at it. I'm like, I don't know about this one. Pretty cool. Yeah, we're getting nice close-up shots, and it's very controllable. Even with this janky toy controller, I can make some precision moves. Pretty cool. I don't exactly know what the flight time is. I'll put it up on the screen here at the end, along with the actual flight time, start to finish. Try and run the battery all the way down. It's freaking hot out right now. It's probably like, I don't know, 98 or something today. I might not last as long as the battery. It's been cooking this summer. I don't know about you guys, where you guys live, but it's been just so hot this summer. Look at this. Ooh, look at that. Nice. Almost no power there. See if I can just bring it for a no power glide. I think that the stabilizer might turn off with no throttle. Let me just see what happens here. Bring it in. Oh, too much of a turn there. There's no power. All right, so it basically, it just lands. It just kind of, I think the stabilizer does shut off when there's no throttle at all. But it's, I don't know, probably just doesn't have any lift. Yeah, the stabilizer is still working with no throttle. So you need some airspeed for the stabilizer to do its work, of course. So keeping up your airspeed, of course, with any airplane is vital. This will be interesting in some heavy winds. I'm not sure how good that'll be, but it'll probably be like a glider. Slope soaring? Has anyone slope soared this? I don't know if Andrew Newton's gotten this plane or not. He probably slope soared this already. Coming on in here, got a little bit of a breeze. Look at that. That is pretty cool. I like those slow flybys, you know me. And obviously no yaw or rudder, just, well, there's yaw control via the differential throttle only. So you have elevator, throttle, and basically right and left turns via differential throttle, differential yaw. Good enough for a toy plane. I keep trying to use the left stick for yaw. You have to remember it's the right stick. Alright, see if I can orbit myself here. Oh, I got more power. I think the battery is already starting to cut out. About 75% throttle here. Interesting how much control you have with no rudder, just with differential throttle. Are you guys dizzy yet? I'm pretty dizzy. You gotta keep up that throttle though. All over. Oh, okay, so I'm in low rates this whole time. Let me go. Let's go 2 times here. Oh wow. Okay, so that's a lot. It's almost too much. All right, see if I can maybe do a tighter circle with more throttle. Whoa, the elevator's really touchy. Oh, fail. I think maybe the battery is almost dead. Oh, let's see what's going on. We got some lights in the motors. Yeah, actually, go back to low rates. Flying in high rates is kind of hard, actually. And I can tell the battery is starting to sag already. Oh man, I'm totally cooking here in the sun. Oh yeah, I think the battery's almost dead. All right, so unfortunately the camera died. It has like a time limit or something because of overheating, and it's really hot out right now. So that's going to do it for this one. The battery is almost dead anyway. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Talk to you guys later.